Okay, welcome to our channel once again, guys. Your host Raisin Molly. Love having you here on our channel. Today we're gonna be doing another classic Guyanese recipe, which has been requested, and that would be raisin rice. Okay, guys, for this recipe here, we're gonna be using some basmati rice. You can use whatever rice you like, and all the other ingredients there that we have laid out. I'll try to cover all of them, but if not, it'll be listed in our description box below. You'll always find all the ingredients in our description box below the video. So we're going to be using the rice. We have some scallions, onion, garlic, sweet peppers, carrots, celery, fine thyme, some raisins, mustard, canned corn, the butter, paprika, black pepper, salt to taste, of course, and a cube. We're going to be using some chicken cube in here, chicken bouillon, and I think I've covered all of that. So let's get started, guys. So we have already put our water to heat up here for our rice. So we're going to wash our rice now and add it here. So to our rice, we're going to add some salt. You're going to cover that back, let it cook. Okay, guys, so we're going to soak our raisins, as I said. You soak it for a little bit. Just soften up a bit. So we're soaking it in some hot water here. Okay, guys, so our basmati rice is done here now. So we're gonna move this aside and put it to cool off. Okay, guys, so we're gonna strain our raisin that has been soaking there. So we have all our ingredients chopped. These are raisins that we've strained. to our hot pan, and we're gonna add our seasonings now. So that was the garlic and pepper that we crushed in our mortar. Scallions, onions, celery. So all of our chopped stuff is in here now. Just gonna cook this for a couple of minutes. Add some black pepper. Next we're gonna add some paprika. And a little bit of mustard. Salt to taste. In goes our corn. And our raisins. And this is our rice, which has cooled off by now. So we're gonna add our rice here now. We're not cooking the vegetables for long, just a couple minutes or so. You can even cook your rice beforehand, like the day before, and keep it. You don't have to do everything at once, makes it easier too. Now look at how beautiful that rice is. Look, very colorful, festive. This looks like a mashromani rice. So you're gonna taste and see what else you need. Adjust your seasoning. And look at that. Isn't that beautiful? So here is our raisin rice, guys. Looking tasty and colorful, very nice. If you like this video, guys, please remember to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do. Please click the bell icon also so you get notifications from us whenever we post a new video. Please share this video also. And as always, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.